one day with nothing but poetry on my mind. Well, I was getting tired of what was happening, you know, the same gigs over and over again. So I decided that it would be really cool for us to start something new, something that I enjoy doing, that my friends like doing, and because I needed a life. My first piece was in a language that I don't really know how to speak, which is Filipino. So after performing it, well, it was in front of friends, and you know, friends always support you, so I don't know how good it really was. Then I ended up doing it over and over again and realized that it was really something, it was a statement about who I am and how I fit in to this society and as an artist. So it was good. I'm glad that I had to go through that torturous performance, but it was worth it in the end. For those of you who've been coming, congratulations, because you've been putting up with me for 1 year. And it's good. I like seeing your faces over and over again, and I hope you're not getting tired of me or us. And thanks for being courageous enough to share your words with us.
Masaya makamit ng maraming tao na open sa sarili. Masarap maningil lang tao kahit 20 pesos lang. Pero minsan mahirap. Salamat sa pag-share ng sarili nila sa Open Spoken. Thank you at nagbabayad kayo ng gates. Nakakabayad ng kuryente. Tsaka tuloy lang para masaya.
Ako si Miko Pipito, ako ang ama ng Open Spoken. Ginawa kay Open Spoken kasi gusto kong mahanap tsaka makilala yung mga taong katulad ko na gustong mag-express lang tsaka magkwento, magsalita, tumula, kumanta. Gusto kong makilala yung mga taong na merong gustong sabihin. Gusto kong marinig yung mga sinasabi nila. Tatlong tao mainly, si Jordan, Sebastian, Ronald Tupas at Teddy Corpus. Sa kanila ko unang na-encounter ang spoken word. At sa kanila ako pinaka nakarelate. Tsaka mga kaibigan ko sila. Gusto kong maging united yung mga tao through speaking. Sa pag-express lang ng mga sinasabi nila. Tsaka yung mga tao na parang lahat sila magaan ng loob nila kasi nalabas nila yung mga gusto nilang sabihin. And therefore, mas magaan sila kasama. Lahat tayo, good vibes lang. Sa mga nagpunta na sa Open Spoken, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Dahil sa inyo, gusto ko pa siyang ituloy. Gusto ko pang lumaki ang pamilya ng Open Spoken. Sa mga nakapunta na, pero natakot or nahiya, yun yung kailangan mahiya. Kasi, ang sarap niya eh. Para kang nag number 2. Ganon siya kagaan. Tsaka wala namang mawawala sa inyo eh. Kung nahiya kayo, kausapin nyo kami. Para maging mas magaan sa loob nyo yung environment. Tsaka wala, yung isa sa mga good points sa Open Spoken is lahat ng pupunta doon, pumunta para makinig. So huwag kang matatakot na baka walang makinig sa'yo kasi hindi yun ang Open Spoken. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta, malamang wala kayo dito at di nyo napapanood to. Pero pakisabi sa mga kaibigan nyo na hindi pa nakakapunta na ang laki ng nami-miss nila, as in sobrang saya to. Kailangan ma-experience ito kahit isa lang. Tas gawin niyo siya sa school niyo, gawin niyo siya sa bahay niyo, sa mga reunion niyo. Tayo lang kayong isang mic doon. Ang dami natin may mga karaoke machines eh. Gamitin niyo 'yun. Malaking matutulong niya sa pagkatao niyo. Wakadum.
Out of love, and I support spoken word art and poetry art. I believe that hindi kasi masyado maraming venues for these kinds of artists. Kaya namin tinayo yung Open Spoken. Sobrang saya kasi feel ko na isa talaga siyang open mic. It's an open stage for any artist, may it be a poet, a spoken word artist, a singer, a storyteller,
kahit sino, kahit newscaster ka, pwede kang tumungtong sa stage at ibalita kung ano yung nangyayari ngayon. After every show, it makes you feel so light na ginawa mo siya. Sa Open Spoken, I get to express my new stuff. Normally kasi like sa mga ibang productions or sa ibang gigs, parang you have to be so ready. Pero with Open Spoken, kahit i-testing mo yung kantang ginawa mo lang 5 seconds ago, okay lang siya. Kasi ganun yung spirit ng Open Spoken. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be a famous artist to go up on stage. Maraming salamat sa support, sa artistry nyo, sa performances nyo, sa friendship, sa relationship. This is a family. This is a community where we can all share our talents. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And sana magkita-kita pa tayo for many more years.
Pagsiba, walang love. Sobrang organic. Saka, minsan katawa-tawa. At minsan napapasayaw ako. Para siyang massage. Yung masarap ng masarap. 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 Huwag kayong matakot. Be fearless. Who cares what you say? It's never gonna get out of this. How many walls do we have? And be yourself most of all. Kasi pag hindi ikaw ang pinapakita mo, boring. Yun lang.
Well, for one thing, it's a movement, and movements spread and affect. Since I've been involved already deeply, it has become sort of like a mission also for me. It's inspiring. That's the one thing that you get from this is for free or for mere $20. You get to be inspired by all these people, different people representing different places or different groups, and so that's why I'm involved, just like everyone else. It's because it's a movement, and I've been affected, and now I'm part of it. You don't know what to expect. You get people who express gratitude, people who are angry, people who are happy, people who just want to have fun, people who want to share. So that's the experience. Mixed, but every time it's always really good. We don't have a show that's not good. Open Spoken, you know. Yeah. Quoting from Marilyn Manson. Yeah, he said, instead of speaking, you listen. So Open Spoken is about listening. I'm not gonna give any message because it's your time to give your message to us. It's your turn. Kumbaga, we're here to listen. Thanks. It takes guts to do something like that. It's not just a poetry reading. It's bearing your soul.